Sweet. Wow.
First three for Sacramento. Timeout station change. Floats it up and in. Second field goal for Harden. He's got 6 in the game.
And 3 in a row. The Mavericks, 7 consecutive wins. Luka from 15.
It's a layup. That's what we call a layup. That spin off of that pivot foot, you just have to hope he misses. That's just better offense.
And they control at the other end with a half minute to go in the first quarter.
Right here, you'll see SGA is going to go for 3.
Wow.
This is very abnormal for him to be shooting this many threes early. 11-8. 8-3 from the top side. 3, and it's through.
He's taking this personal, isn't he?
Yes, sir. Gotta be strategic. You only get 6, though. That's it. JD with the crossover and flies right to the basket. He loves his challenge with Wimpy. He's like, okay, good stuff. Rudy was up.
Ha? Mag-alas 12. Ano oras naman? Sige, pwede. 11:05. Oh, parang hindi na mag-masahe. Wala na rin naman tayo sila. Hindi. Oh, isang oras na lang din naman. Kaso wala. Kaso wala. Okay pa ako, gabi. Kulang mga, bitin yan. Bitin. Bitin. Ano ako maput? Ano ako maputi?